Yeah, we are in Puerto Plata. This is a beach in Puerto Plata. It's well, it's island in a very nice area around the island everywhere. Yeah, and it's very nice place. We have mountains. You have an ocean, and you have a restaurants here, and everything very close. Even sculpture is probably Apollon Afinsky. Look like for me. Okay, let's walk forward. And walking here, it's like a shore, ocean shore in Puerto Plata. It's having name, but I forgot the name. Oh, but now just let me check what's the name. Yeah, it's called Malicon. Well, you see, and it's normal. It's normal, but we have some like homeless dog running and baby with woman. Well, it is not France or Spain or something. It's Dominican Republic, and guy tried to sell something. Dominican flag. And the condos from left. Yeah, and it's pretty clean. Some small river going on to the ocean, and the guy tried to fix something. It's pretty clean. It's not too much garbage. And pretty very good view from here. And I have a company. This dog coming with me everywhere. And it's very popular here to cut muffler in motorcycle and ride on with this kind of noise. Yeah. Yeah, as you see, it's sculptura. Yeah, it's actually very beautiful here. And we are in a cafe on the beach. I mean, going to have a breakfast. And pretty good here. You see two young women who already dress up. Probably they finished tanning now. And restaurant like that. I show you. Very nice place, you see, people in the board swimming, and this sculpture of Neptune. And if I turn around, okay, this is a nice music. It's very loud restaurant with local music, and people sitting, smoking, having beer. Yeah, and only 10 a.m. now, Sunday. You see, and we can see a lot of restaurants here and another very nice places. Yeah, and a small restaurant too. We see people sitting, eating. All good here. It's Sunday. Locals coming here for probably they have very beach party on Sunday. Every Sunday for them, it's like a place when they relax after working week. This is Neptune bar and restaurant, and because it's sculpture of Neptune. You can see through the windows is the sculpture and view to this small rocky island. I don't know, it's an island or some small rock in the ocean near to the coast. But it's nobody, restaurant is closed. And Policia Nacionale and another police they call tour police or police tour. It's police for tourists. Okay, and they do not interfere with each other. If they tourist, usually national police do not touch you because it's special police for tourists. Okay, just to avoid corruption between the police and situation when foreigners will be treated in some unbelievable way and scare them probably to visit this country one month. They separate in this, and why they separate police? It's two police units exist. Yeah, and we see very nice ocean and very nice white boulevard. Yeah. Yes, and I move forward. You see people riding on the bicycle, man with two boys sitting, and some people changing shoe, whatever, and people walking here. And also, as you see, very nice beach area. You see a lady just try to tan, and you see an ocean is quiet today. Very quiet ocean today, yeah. Sand, and from other side we can see very nice building and everything. Let's turn it off and I walk a little bit forward. Okay, when I will walk forward, I don't know, but driving probably like 5, maybe 10 minutes from here, you can see the fort, old castle, which was built in 17th century. It is by Spanish, definitely. You can find information about this castle in my previous video. We're walking on Malecon, and you see national flag, Dominican, and some graffiti on the building, because it was 2 days ago Independence Day. They have Independence Day. Actually, they was occupied by Haitian. I guess it's 1844, and was long war. They fight very hard with Haitian and got freedom from Haitian occupation. And since then, they celebrated Independence Day. Not from Spain, because they got independence from Spain much earlier. From Haiti, neighbor country on this island. Island named Hispaniola. But by French terminology, this is island Haiti. And also like Eastern Europe, especially, they talking about all island with name Haiti, and with two countries on this island, Haiti and Dominican Republic. But correct name Hispaniola of this island. Well, it's like we have a British interpretation of name and technically French interpretation of name, or like we're gonna go for channel between Great Britain and France, and the name in French is going to be La Manche. British call it English Channel. The same like French call Persian Gulf, but in English they call Arabic Gulf. And then it's the same, we go far with this kind of Trump period, Trump era. Here name Mexican Gulf to the American Gulf, but it's only he who named it American Gulf. It's nonsense. Of course it's nonsense, but the word how it is, and it's nothing changed, you know. It's the first 500 years is called Mexican Gulf, and now the American they started to call American Gulf. And for everybody it's nonsense, but it is how it is. Yeah, and beautiful island, beautiful ocean, and we see some ship on here and people enjoying drinking beer. Yeah, and yeah. It is Playa Acapulco. Please look how beautiful it is. I will put my camera a little bit up to show you beauty of this. I show the house in front of us. You see a small balcony on the roof. It's by style. It's not now. It's at least 30 years ago. I mean, architecture. It's not like a stainless steel glass balcony as it's now. Come on. And probably they built this balcony when the tree was much shorter, much younger than now, because technically tree now it's cover everything. I mean, nice ocean view. This tree is covering. What is about Spanish language? If you will read Transporte Universitario, it's technically university transportation, and it's very clear. Spanish language having probably 50% word which is similar to English because it's Latin based words, and it's if you can speak English you understand. About the grammar, it's very similar to Ukrainian grammar because they have gender, they have suffixes. For our who speaking like a Ukrainian language or any Slavic family language and no English, it's very easy to learn Spanish. You see, as I say, 50% words the same original, Latin base, and grammar similar to Ukrainian. And just go and study what I plan to do.